Support the bottom line before, okay? I love all the VIP, yo.
Bright light.
You see this part of the party? This is the part I like, the early part. Alright? I don't play the star role, I make sure I come early and play the good music, the nice music there. You see what I'm talking about? The good music like this. Now Jati now!
Oh, I wake up in the morning with my head down.
Boy, ironic. I'm playing. Wake up early in the morning. John T do the morning show on WABS Radio. I do the morning show on my station. Him have the morning ride and the morning drive. Commissioner John T there wants to say something to the people real quick, sir. Yeah, man. Say something. No, man. Greet the people for me, please. No, greet the people. You're here. Greet the people.
Okay, Michael, thank you so much. I'm not really forced to do it, but I think it's an obligation as Commissioner in the City of Northern Hill to say thanks to the promoters for doing this. I'm sure this is going to be the first annual event, so I'm glad to see the turnout so far. I know it's going to get better as the night goes on, so once again, welcome to our first annual event, Gene in the Green. All right, so Gene's in the Green. Gene's pluralized it all over. And I'm Commissioner John T. Good to have you here. We're going to have some fun. Thanks, Mike.
Every time for real, man. Every time we're building the community, the gentlemen build the community, all right? WABS Radio build the community, you know? For real. I was there one time too, you know. I was on that station one time, you know. Then turned a rebel. In the meantime, I let my brother Christopher Martin. We'll play the Dennis Brown, the original show.
Smile with her. Big party what she says she love. Looking at the sandwich mixed with a dip. Talking about the jerk chicken more than teriyaki. I'm an of the peanuts. With the machine make me ride like a cyclist. Mixed with a jacket. You jacket, you jacket, you jacket.
Even my heart cries, but who cares? Whose fault's no one but myself? Things do happen, words can't explain. They only human reason join this with friends. People who spend time just for us to separate. They can't want to see us reach nowhere. Oh girl, and you know I care. Why does it have to be this way? Can't tell you so, can't tell you to say. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. I'm on Mical. From my soul, I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It's alright. Champagne can't lie. The way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh, on that high, slide on your business, I'm a ride on the high. Bring it down, give it to everything alive. You have to deal with this side. I got up to the business, I'm a side up to the business. I'm the man, I'm deep up to the leaf, I'm on the road. I'm the lucky star, I gotta leave, I'm on the road. I'm the man, I'm such a one good. So keep the music, I'm the other door. You make me feel from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control. Girl, I've been fighting this feeling. It's alright. Champagne and get a rise. The way you hold me tight. Girl, I've been fighting this feeling.
Lace vibes and shine most of the time. And the feeling's laid. Arms we roll, legs so low, don't you know?
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here?
Nowadays I'm lost between the shores. And they smile when they home. You got home, but it ain't mine no more. I am you know one day, and no one heard that or not even the chance. I am not right. I am saying and I am lost and I can't even say why. Leaving the moment still. You tell your friends say you don't want me no more. But as you see me with me new girl, you are come around, girl, like you're not sure. I'm ready star. You texting me no ear, so you creeping when we come on the door. Say no more. Give me head high, keep me head high. Me not gonna make you mad, me no high. Oh, it's so easy to your wife, let love. You tell me say you know some love, yo. Yeah, girl, them not get the chance to disrespect me too time. Them not get the chance to come in. They can't fall in love, yo. Me love you till me heart so hard. You and I were best of friends. I don't be trying to let them. I need you. I need you for even life. Even though we can't find a replacement, I hold on for the statement. You make me feel uncontent and God. Yeah, y'all have turned you on. Yeah, y'all get the chance to break me heart 2 times. I know the love. I really love you. Jah know say me love you. Yes, girl, you not get the chance to diss me 2 times. You not get the chance to commit that the crime. I'm in love you.
We rolling this time.
When I see my friends become my enemies, I have to hard. No bar. Cause I know that the hand can secret room. They are like the trees they can't bloom.
Hold on.
Hold it here.
When I see my friends become my enemies, I have to hard. No bar. Cause I know that the hand can secret room. They are like the trees they can't bloom. And they shall slowly fade away. And I know that the hand can wash it soon. Meditation is so like and they shall slowly fade away. Well, don't the hand can sweep it through. They are like the trees they can't bloom. They shall surely fade away. And I know don't the hand can wash it soon. And there is no bad mind unto good. They shall slowly fade away. When it comes to musical thing, I love is all I bring. Come on, I pray me the lyrics and sing like King David. And to them like this, we don't play with love. I love them all like in a jar. I love them all like in a jar. That's something in a jar. That's something in a jar. But watch your play. Dance on seller. Dance on the bar. Liquor seller. George wine seller. People need to see the number love. Oh Lord. Promoter and his eyes in number love. Oh them now. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Born and grew in Jamaica. No matter where I come, me nah left ya. I say me nah left Jamaica. Not the couple could have never left Jamaica. In comes King Kabaka, lyrical champion. Watch me chop up the rhythm like a sword from Japan. Surprise and for something like a real Chinese man. Practitioner of yoga but not Indian. Lyrics them a weapon of mass destruction. Me have nuclear bomb like a America. Can't overstand like a
Yes. I like it, I love it. It's a beautiful crowd. Thank you all for coming out. We goes up until 12. Go and support the bar. Support our vendors in the back. They have some nice authentic food back there. No one should go hungry when they're consuming some alcohol, alright? You know, music is life. And throughout the whole world, if there would be no music, or there was no music, I don't know what this world would have been like. Everywhere you go in the world, someone say, Jamaica, you're from? Yeah, man. You said you're from the Caribbean, them say, have a thing to say about their music. The Spanish have a thing to say about their music. But right now, like we said, we deal with diversity. And We try to make this event a cultural event. Again, big up the city of Lauderhill. The next artist we're gonna bring on, well, it's the first artist of the night. The rest were DJs. Give up for the DJs. Is two-time Billboard recording artist. Over 50,000 radio stations around the world. Listen to her. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please help me to give Alexis Delgado a big round of applause. Put your hands together. Give her a round of applause, please. Thank you.
How's everyone doing tonight? It is so awesome to be here with each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for having me. This first song is called Ride or Die. This next song is a cover that I like to do. It's from Alicia Keys. And I really enjoy singing this song because to me, it's just a fun song to sing. But for tonight, I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit. This song is called If I Got You.
Some people live for affection. Some people just want the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just for the pain. Some people think that the physical things define what's with them. And I live for, and I'm so more soulful, a super perfect soul. Some people want love, and I want you. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't you, baby. One time rings and sunshine, when everything, but everything means nothing. If I ain't got you, some people search for promises forever, yeah. You know, some people need freedom to run. Says that's the only way to prove your love. On the self-led pattern, and what would it be? No one shared, no one knew truly cares for me. Some people wait up and I'm looking up. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't you, baby. Some people want everything, but everything means nothing. Thank you so much for having me tonight. God bless you all. Thank you.
Give it up for Alexis Delgado. Come on, give her a round of applause, please. Lordy, we can do better than this. All right. Yes, indeed. I'll take time out this time to say a very, very warm welcome to our mayor, Lady Denise Grant, just arrived. And I want to big up her entire staff, the city of Lauderdale, the vice mayors, the commissioners, all the hard-working people over there. Give it up for Lady Denise Grant, please. Come on. Our mayor, our lovely, beautiful mayor. At this time, I say, with no further ado, I want to take the opportunity to introduce to you, Lady, our Mayor, Denise Grant, escorted by Lady Lorna. Give it up for her, the promoter. Come on, give it up!
Good evening, everyone. God is wonderful. Love each other, live righteously. Thank you all for coming. Thank you so very much. I would like to introduce the mayor of Lauderdale. I also have the commissioner, John T. of Lauderdale, and Broward County Commissioner Alexander Davis. Give them all a pass, please.
Good evening, everyone. Are you having a good time? It don't sound like you're having a good time. Mikey, give us a beat. Come on. Is that you? All right, sorry. You're having a good time? It is really nice to be out here today. I just want to give special acknowledgments to Lana, the production manager, the producer, the coordinator, the visionary, the everything for tonight. Please give her a hand. Along with Junior as well. They're a team. So thank you, Lana, for working with us in the city of Lauderdale and bringing Jeans on the Green. Say Jeans on the Green! To the city, and I know this is going to be an annual event. So thank you so much for coming out. I love you. Have a happy new year. Peace, love, happiness, health, and prosperity to you all. Thank you, Denise Grant.
I'll be brief, but it's great to be here in the city of Lauderdale, otherwise known as what? There you go, Jamaica Hill. I'm proud to be here representing Broward County. This is not my district, but we are over all of the counties. So I'm glad to be here in the city of Lauderdale. Enjoy yourself and Happy New Year when it comes. Thank you.
Well, thanks again. I mean, this is my second time around. The mayor was not here when I spoke earlier on, but it's good to be speaking while she's here. And of course, I did give recognition to our Broward County Commissioner, Alexander Davis. So put your hands together for the lady who's not from Lauderdale, but she loves us so much that she's here with us. I also want to put your hands together for all the DJs who have played so far. They have been well entertained. I want to give them a nice round of applause. So the promoter, I know she's not alone, but she's alone with me on stage now, Lana. She put this together, and I think it's a very, very good event so far, and we're looking forward to doing this again next year. I like the concept, I like the venue. Put your hands together for yourself. For those who are here now, I want to give yourself a nice round of applause. I won't hold up your time. This is Commissioner John T. Once again, it's a pleasure. We're going to have a great night tonight. And of course, back to the MC or back to Lana.
Jeans on the Green Holiday Groove. Enjoy yourself, guys. Get in the groove. Thank you all for coming. And I'm looking forward to next year. Thank you.
Come on, give it up for city officials, all right? Well, you know, we're fully loaded. A lot of artists, a lot of DJs, and everybody's in the house. Well, you know, the promotion said Michael Russell, his artist said AnthonyCruise. This also said Colin Roach. You just heard from Alexis Delgado. But I know you've been waiting for your favorite artists, and you have heard from your favorite DJs, and we have some of your favorite DJs still in the house. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I want to take the opportunity right now to big up Magnet Force 24, the brain, you know. And also, I want to take the time to big up The sound system engineers, Mark Dragon and Tracy. Most of you from Jamaica know Mark Dragon from Inner City. Bad sound. So anyway, with no further ado, the next artist I'm going to bring on stage. Most of the songs you're listening to over the years, you have a lot to do with it. He was the man down at King Johnny's studio. A lot of sound system know him. So I'm not going to go around the bush any longer. I'm just going to introduce you to my friend over here. Acid, I know, sound system culture. Then come about a 5-hour drive to be down here tonight. The father lets you have to come represent. So, are we ready for showtime? Are we ready for showtime? Sound like you're not ready, man. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Colin Roach. Mr. Colin Roach.
See Mr. Lexus. Massive. Big up yourself. Long time in the soul, you know. Run the track, Mr. Selector. Fix up the mic properly. I hear me now. You see this song that I'm about to say? Big up yourself, please. Down enough respect. Too deep, your respect. Hear me now. You see this song here? I did this song 1993. And a lot of you guys don't know that it's me, Colin Roach, singing this song. Come in, Sammy. I'm gonna introduce this lady. And turn down the mic, please. And just tune down the music. It's too loud. Everybody wants to enjoy themselves. Okay? This lady, she's gonna sing the song with me. And you guys, I know, say everybody out there know that song. But most of you guys never know Sammy singing. They don't say share. Sing, Judy, your first bit. Run the track, boss. Hold on. Roll off the bass a little bit for me, selector. Yeah. Roll it up out. Nice. You got your one, and I've got mine. And it's a shame.
It's a grown-up world that can never be the same. Why can't we be?
You've got your world, and I've got mine, and it's a shame, pretty baby.
Two grown-up words that you never say.
You see, if you know what the chorus sings.
Why can't we be like storybook children, running through the lane, hand in hand across the meadow? Why can't we be like storybook children?
In no wonderland where nothing's planned for tomorrow. Ooh, you've got his ring, you've got his heart, you've got his baby.
Baby, it's too late to turn away and start all over again.
Oh, don't you make so that baby?
Why can't we be like storybook children, running through the rain, hand in hand across the meadow? Ooh, sing it to me one more time.
Why can't we be
Like storybook children,
in no wonderland where nothing's planned for tomorrow? Break it down low. You've got your world,
and I've got mine, and it's a shame with a lady. Two grown-up worlds that can never be the same.
sing.
Why can't we be like storybook children, running through the lane, hand in hand across the meadow?
Why can't we be like storybook children? Love you all. Love, respect. All you need, everybody there, see you me. Well, listen to this song, you know. We love sing for the ladies, you know. A woman to sing for. What me say? Run the track. It's a rock. There's another road without you. There's another. Yeah, I'm telling you, the man stay and see me. Don't. If later, run it back again. It's a rock. There's another morning without you. There's another day when I get through it without breaking out. Haven't seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my heart lost it when you left me, and just can't be found. How can I go All the love we've made, all the sacrifice and the same. That's there, right here inside. Baby, can't you stop the rain from falling? Won't you taste another day? I'd give anything to hear the sun again. Only you can stop this beat from falling. Hold your face another day. Baby, can't you stop? Can't you stop the rain? Everywhere I go, I feel you there. Following the footsteps like the shadow of my broken heart. Sometimes it's like a very fasting eyes, and you know it's just the way they're talking. And there you are. Sing. I'm my own alone. Have you ever wake up and reach for me where I used to be? If there any chance, I can believe that you're not alone. Let's you and you. Baby, can you stop the rain from falling? Massive. Yes, right now. I want me. And we come for nice stuff. How y'all feeling? Yes, run the track. Got trip. Listen, darling. Look. Who's gonna hold and straight behind? Baby, big up that mic. Listen, darling. Now who's gonna hold and squeeze your time? Somebody tell me, now that she's gone out of my life. Who's gonna make me feel the way we used to do, yeah? Now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue. I'm all alone in the wilderness, searching to find some peace and rest. Although she wasn't the best girl, but she brought happiness into my world. Now the dreams of loneliness gone. Yeah, I'm a prince of loneliness. Yes, I am. Now whose voice is gonna say goodnight? Now that she's gone out of my sight. Although she was the best girl, but she brought happiness into my world. Now I'm a dream of loneliness. Yeah, I'm a prince of loneliness. Yes, one more song me I do, and left one alone tonight. Me done with it. How you feeling? Alright, God bless every woman in here. God bless them right now. Run the tractor. so you know this one. Big up Self Rosie. Take it on Michael. My Lord, I never find the words, my Lord, to tell you how I feel, my Lord. The words could not explain. Precious Lord, you held my life within your hands, created everything I am, taught me how to live again. Oh, oh, without you, my life has no meaning. To a song at a time, always for you, filled with gratitude and love. Let me hear you sing. God bless you. You makes me feel brand new. For God bless me with you. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
What you say for Colin Roach? What you say for Colin Roach? Original foundation youth from Martin. Big up Acid and Noah. Right now, I know there's a lot of people from New York in the house. But before we bring in the next DJ, which most of you can relate to, I want to take time up to big up our vendors. Sizzle, big up yourself. Off the Hook Catering, Parity Italian Ice, Yard Prosper Seafood and Jamaica Cuisine, Zemba Fashion and Boutique, and Share Organics, big up yourself. Well, you know, I can finally say, the city and the people of Lauderdale and the residents surrounding the area, we have a home. We have a beautiful home. And we have a name. It's called Jeans on the Greens. So everybody can bring out them Wrangler, then Gucci, you name it. It's called Jeans on the Greens. And it's our first annual. And I want to pick up again our commissioners, and our mayor and vice mayor and all the city officials. I want to pick up the police force, the EMS, holding it down for us. I want to pick up Michael Riggs, our parking attendant, and pick up our bartenders, and pick up our gatekeepers. But before I bring in the next DJ, I want you to give yourself a round of applause. You've been beautiful. You're keeping the bar busy, and you're keeping our vendors busy. And for that, I want to say thank you very much. If you've ever been to New York, most of us been to New York, you go to some basement party, and you go down there at 5 o'clock in the morning, and you comes up around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and think it's night, it's daylight. Because we have DJs like this DJ, and if you familiar yourself with a free sound system, we present to you the crazy one from the crew. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome and give us big soft furlough. Welcome, Crazy Ricky.
You're rocking with the Afrik Sounds. Hey, yo! You're a Afrik Sound Station for the nation.
I'll check one. Before I go any further, I gotta say big respect to all Florida massive right about now. Because we've been through a lot this year. For real. Hurricane in Jamaica, what they put in family. Big up everybody who work hard who are here tonight. I got to take the first 5 minutes and play some tune for the people. Tunes like this for all working women and all working men out there. Listen to this tune, yeah. Give yourself a round of applause, massive, for all the hard-working people. My name is Crazy Richie, this is
Finest. The man with the golden voice. The man who buried someone said Lexus, said Michael Russell, said this artist to Jamaica. Tyrone Taylor said it. But Michael Russell said Lexus, I love to be in South Florida, I love South Florida people. So ladies and gentlemen, could you give me a warm welcome and help me welcome my brother, your brother, Mr. Michael Russell! Come on, give it up! I don't hear you. Give it up for Michael Russell! Give it up!
I was born by the river in a little tent. Lord, just like a river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, and I know change must come. And oh, yes it will. Kick it. Ooh, baby. Never know what love could make you so happy. Fort Lauderdale, how you all doing? Respect. A lot of times people hear them tune but they don't know the face to it. So see the face, huh? See the face, huh? Enough bad tune. Big up with this jockey, Mr. John T. Trust me, much love over the years for letting Fort Lauderdale and the world know this man, Michael Russell. Kick it again. Gosh, never know. Never know what love could make you so happy. Make your joy from over sweet and yellow. Must have been good. What could it be? Too sweet till I can't. Sweet till I can't. Sweet till I can't. Oh, baby. From the day you've been wearing a permanent smile, that have you been missing all this while? You're behaving like toys in the hands of a child. Sweet till I change, sweet till I change, sweet till I change. Oh, baby, break it down one time. And the man called Brother Wayne was here tonight. He do something like this for you and yours. Watch this. Ah, yes. Listen. I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. Yeah. Say you weren't around much anymore. Yeah. I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Church
hours late at night you still call me. Yes, before you close your eyes to sleep. Well, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but baby, that's a promise I can't keep. I see what you say. So leave the story here to me. I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. Mr. Ben Washington. Ooh. Ooh. Who are the five brethren out of my place, Clarendon? See? Yes. Watch this. I know you're trying to be a big girl, to keep the tears from your eyes. No, baby. And oh, it's gonna be a little bit hard to lift your head up high. Na 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 na. Now, little girl, you're gonna need a man. I'm good man, you can understand. Oh, please listen to me. Wonderful birthday, Mr. Garden Circle. AnthonyCruise, your uncle. Nah, touch that one because I know you might want to touch a piece of that one. See? Next track.
That's so nice.
Bullet. This is the sound that Mr. Alexis was talking about. John T. response to them soon. My brother, much love again. And thanks for guiding my career to the success that it is today. See? 23 weeks on the WAVS chart, 9 weeks at #1. First time I buy a house out of that sugar. Run it! Oh, baby! I put so many things on the line for you. Still you turn around and hurt me. Oh God, I don't know. That's what I'm supposed to do. When you're cheating on this brother, why won't you show your love, baby? Ooh. No more of your urgent crying. Oh. Just show your love, baby. Ooh. No more of your urgent crying. Oh no. Oh gosh. I try to call you on the telephone and hoping to God that you'd be alone. But you were somewhere else. But oh God. When I heard, girl, you just made me cry. Why won't you treat it like baby? No more of the urgent darling. Oh no. Just treat it like baby. No more of the urgent darling. Oh no. Break it down one time. The brown camera Taiwan Jones here tonight. Play it up. He will do something like this to you and yours. One of my article virtue. And may his soul rest in peace. Passed on a few years ago. Seeing what we recognize. The elders who come and set the pace. And my mentor is the man called Mr. Beresford Aman. And the man they make know the world. Japan and all about. See? So play it low. See a man, play it low.
This will continue in a little bit. The ship that never sail can tell no water return. And I never love, just don't know the way I feel now. The ship that never sail can't tell no water return. And I never love, just don't know the way I feel. I've got this teeny little bit of the loving baby. I saw much true enough. The Sanchez true. One time. Don't like a piece of that. I never died. See? Run it! Sweet lady. Alright. Watch this. When I fade back in time, all the things I've done so wrong. If I could turn back the hands of time, I really should have made you mine. Oh, baby. Hey, yeah. See through those fainted days. Lexus. Everything I do.
What else? What do you think, Tiago? Do you want more Mical Russell? It don't seem like I could want more Mical Russell, man. When I say Mical, you say Russell. Mical! Mical! Mical Russell!
Guess you never know good thing when it's right in your face. You've been abused for so long. Love's getting today, all seems the same. I guess it's unbelievable someone could love you like me. Well, time ain't no object and money ain't a thing, but it urges someone to ease the pain. I wanna be the smile on your face, be your stars and your moon. I wanna be your sunny day. Can I be your favorite tune? I wanna be your breakfast in bed. Maybe I'll be your fool, Mr. Too damn good to you.
Mical Russell! Give it up! Yeah. You're not going to wear it up. And you don't do the big show, you know, on the big rhythm, you know. If you don't want more Mical Russell, say, Mical Russell! If you hear you, say Mical Russell!
Awesome, awesome. That's true. John, run it! Ah, yeah. Every day, boy, listen, right. Well, I hope to see the day everyone take a holiday and walk.
We burn to Mother Kaya! We go to say,
what is it, right? What is it, right? What is it, right? What is it? What is it? Come from a place in Clarendon, see? You know one place they call Mical. And there's a slogan that goes, Mical is no playpen. See? So, our only part things that go on. Once upon a time was Kingston and Spanish Town. Right now the whole island infested with guns and ammunition. See? And not only live and foreign responsibility that's up there to it. And not only politician. And not only politicians send gun to Jamaica. Not for we will live America and send gun down there too. And you all need to be all accountable for all them bull crap. See? So me and Mr. Fisley were more focused with this idea. And I am, I said, ready. To campaign for peace. See? And hold on the gun. Run it. Ah, for illicit crime. But I hope to see the day when everybody take a holiday and warm and violence cease and citizens be at peace and all enemies turn friends, no bad vibes on lands. I hope to see it. Yeah. I hope before I go, I'll watch my children grow. I know I've taught them well how the streets can be a living hell. We know life ain't no game, the power of money and fame. Oh yes, we know it. Yes, we know it. One and all get ready for peace today. The chance to get let's pray. Our mother should be one God, one aim, one destiny, one family. Ooh. Show the signs of peace right now. Raise your hands for unity, Lord, yeah. Our eyes, 'cause your family, my family, should live together as one family. Ooh, that's the way God wanted to be. Break it down one more time, brother. Listen. I hope every senseless murder will not take a footstep further. I hope to see the end of crime, so men avoid prison time. I hope it won't be long before the tired and weak get strong. I hope to see it. Yeah. Listen, I hope politicians will learn to do what's best before the tables turn, and the parties will work together to make our nation much better. Let's put an end to the vision and move forward with a vision. Spend the country money wisely, don't steal it nicely. One and all country for peace today.
Give it up for Mical Russell. Come on. You know, it's two types of acceptance you can do. Either you're sitting down or you're standing. Give me a standing ovation. Come on. A big artist. Are we artists? Everybody part of the feet for Mical Russell. We have AnthonyCruise up on the wings just a cool out. So don't say nothing normal around here. Anything else is uncivilized. Lana, where are you? I'm right here, Lana. Where are you? Give yourself a round of applause. Come on, Lana. JJ. Give it up for Lana, the promoter.
I don't really like too much talking, but I have to pick up Magnet Force. He's my partner in this, and his sound is about to play. So I wanted to big him up before we start playing. Big up Magnet. Magnet 24. Thank you all.
Give it up for Magnet 24. Give it up for Lana. You're going to see a lot here. All right. If you're looking for some nice place to be or a nice place to be, every Saturday, beginning January the 10th, yeah, the place to be is 1451 Northwest 31st Avenue. Yeah, Sequence family back in the days from Aswad Park, Snyder Park, Father Dust, Byron Jimmy Sequence, Patrick Lexus, and that's way there every Saturday, starting January the 10th. X-Squad in the house, the Mical and the Sequence family. So you come check it out, grab a flyer. See? Alright. Let's see the next sound system I bring on stage. Where the DJs, they're the youth here. They call them the people, come and watch them grow up. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not even gonna say nothing more. HMV, give me. Are you ready? Hold on.
Sorry guys, I don't like the talking, but I have to big up the city manager, Kenny Hobbs, the city manager of Northern Hill. Thank you, Kenny.
Thank you, city manager. All right. So, with no further ado, Market 24 audio alongside HMV. Timmy, take it away.
Okay.
Now this is the voice.
Hold on to me. Just want to say good night. I want to say thanks to the city of Lauderdale. Thanks to the promoters for having us. My name is Super Smooth. I'm no stranger to Lauderdale. Been at Pepper's nightclub back in the day for a couple of years, so many of you may remember me. This is my brother in crime right here. Big up to what the son we up here on Magnum Force, big up to themselves. But I want to pay homage right now to all my Jamaicans. Jamaica has been through a lot this year, and Jamaica continue to need our love and our care. So all Jamaicans right now, I want you to listen to this segment. This segment is dedicated to you.
Now this is the voice of Chris Malachi representing for HMV Sound. Timmy HMV, Super Smooth, the greatest thing in town. Big up Standby, Maryland, Mona, Miami, New York, Augustown, Jamaica.
So I pray to all Jamaicans right now.
Eternal Father, bless Maryland. I pray you got HMV Sound in your mighty hand. Pray your blessing over Standby. Lead them into right hand.
Pray for Jamaica.
Timmy HMV walk by faith and by sight. Super Smooth in your light in darkest night. Augustown is full of greatness, so lead us into right days. You never leave us or forsake us, so lead us into right days. You never leave us or forsake us, Jamaica will see right days.
So all proud Jamaicans right now. Jamaica need our prayers. So if you're a Jamaican,
For your mercy never fails.
if you have a neighbor that's Jamaican,
All my days, I've
if you
been
have a friend that's Jamaica, if you ever been to
from the
Jamaica,
moment that I wake
we gonna do it like this.
till I lay my head.
One Jamaica
Oh,
tonight.
I will sing.
Everybody, we are in the front right now. Everybody, let's wave your hands wherever you're standing. Sisters and brothers.
'Cause all my life you have been faithful.
This one is from the island, Jamaica.
All my life you have been so good.
All Jamaicans right now.
Every breath that I am able.
Lift your voices up, lift your hands up to the Almighty.
Of the goodness.
And say, oh, God bless them and gosh, Jamaica will rise
I
again.
love your voice.
No.
You have led me through the fire
Where the Jamaicans at?
in darkest night.
Who are some Ataka?
You are close like no other.
For Jamaica tonight, right us up.
I've known you as a father.
Listen, man.
I've known you as a friend.
If you love Jamaica,
I have lived
sing it
in
out.
the goodness of God.
Listen.
All my life you have been faithful.
We love you, Jamaica.
And all my life you have been so.
I can't hear you.
With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
I came with a message tonight, sisters and brothers.
Take me to the King.
I came to deliver the
Don't
message
have
tonight.
much to bring.
Hold on, man.
My heart's torn in pieces. It's my offering.
Well, bless up Jamaica tonight.
To the King.
Y'all been to church.
Truth is, I'm tired.
Y'all been to Sunday school.
Options are few.
Y'all been to Bible study.
HMV.
I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't think what's left.
I'm gonna deliver the message tonight, Jamaicans.
The truth is I'm weak, no strength to fight.
Tonight we stand in Lauderdale, the hub of the Jamaican community.
If I try,
my sisters and brothers,
but still my soul refuses to die.
A lot of you ain't going to church in the morning. Say so right now. What a blessing of God. Everybody, sing with me. Play the next song. Come and deliver the message. We have delivered the message tonight.
Never could have made it.
What am I? You not tell them.
I would have lost it all. But now I see.
A lot of love to your mayor, Mr. Nice Grant, wherever you're standing. Wherever you're standing. All the elected officials in Lauderdale.
Never could have made it without you.
With God, everything is possible.
Lost it all.
So listen, man.
But now I see how you
do. You know the song? Sing with me.
I'm stronger.
I'm stronger.
Dennis Grant, Commissioner John T. Vice Mayor Richard Campbell, and Commissioner Roy Martin. I want to say a special shout out to Donovan Hines and Gene Russell, aiding aid. Thank you for your support and your loyalty to this event and your contribution, all right? Right now, you heard from Mical Russell, you heard from Colin Roach, you heard from HMV, you heard from Executive, you heard from DJ Lennox, you heard from DJ Radcliffe, you heard from Alexis, you heard from Mikey Mike. So everybody will put on the flyer, played tonight, and did a damn good job. Give them a round of applause. So, if you listen to the advertisement on the radio, you'll know which artist is next. I want you to draw a little closer, because this brother, man, if you've ever been in the South Florida era back in the 80s, coming out of the Heavy Beat studio, move back to the cool hill of Mandeville, the parish of Manchester, you know, the generation gap, one of the most conscious singers that ever graced dancehall and reggae music, Mr. late great Leonard Silk. We have inside the house tonight. We have inside the house tonight. What a night. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on stage my brother, your brother, Mr. AnthonyCruise.
As to me tell them I'm ready. Yes, I me tell them again and again and again and again and again. Let them be ready. Put it up, man. No man, we go come and dance. No man, we go come and dance. Tell them we come to nice up the party. We come to nice up the country. So watch out. There's man dead out, Google dead out, Pirate dead out, Rockman dead out. Remember if you give it to the song. Enough man now get no sum tonight. Hey, sir. Let's go. I saw me tell them already and me tell them again. Everybody will go hard with you. Gossip. When you want to meet a country girl, and when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls and work along, girls they love a top of rank, just go down. Right at NCP, right out of the Dakota. Where dream, go on a mother, they put more bus than your supporter.
same place out and them take bus. Spanish town and left none out at all. And every Saturday them out there on the man. When she get your blood, put them on me best friend. A pavilion in Mical and Karen. And house your man to woman and woman to man. Give me the hand man, go. And we go sir. Right out. Don't stop it. How is it no see me? Don't stop it. What is it on my thing? How is it go? How is it go? Go, go. No one didn't tell you couldn't roam the streets. But that's what happens when you're overdosing gets sweet. You rock all night, don't even care when it is morning. The music's so right, we're gonna dance right up till the morning. How does it feel to have been on? And you feel like you would have. How we did a body? Dash it. What are the man? I'll tell you. I want to pick up everybody inside the house. I want to come to do the long talking. See? Look up. Ladies. Oh, na there. It's the cruise again. Look. Hey girls, long time ago see. But do you have a little time to spend it with me? I miss the cruise, wanna know what's been going on. Anything like it? Talk to me, baby. Can I hear my independent lady scream? Your hair, the perfume that you wear brings back memories. How rough you went to me. Yeah, you look so fine. You blow my mind all over again. Rock with me tonight for old time's sake. Dear ladies, one more time, can I hear you sing again? Rock with me tonight for old time's sake. Bounce it low. Wanna see the crowd, what I wanna? I've never been so much in love before. Ooh, what a difference true love gave in my life. So right, yeah, so right. Loving you gave me something new that I've never ever felt, that I've never dreamed of. Oh, lady, oh, na na na. Mr. Cruise again. I say you better get ready. I go to the rock steady. You got to do this new dance. I hope that you're ready. You got to do it just like Mr. Cruise said. Don't you know, girl? Shake your rock your body like, move your shoulders, everything is fine, we're cruising. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Don't touch it, you know. Don't touch it. Ladies, I know you love this one. I'm gonna touch this one. Check this out. It's not that I don't love you, baby. You know how much I do, yeah. And it's not that I found somebody
Was I come in from a dance last night and you know say me well want sleep. But before me could have reach and me get to see what something like a sheep boy. To the labor stone with your washing machine and to a piece of car boy. $40 million question is how when them get them things around start. Them block the road, them block the road. Me say them block the road, them block the road. Dash! Ladies again, this is my first #1 song. And I did this song when I used to live in the province. Check it out. The very first time I saw you, I heard you look so fine. So let me hear you say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. The very first time I saw you, I heard you look so fine. And my hand, I was feeling the one thing you in mind. So I got you in my arms, girl, and I never let you go. I do anything to prove, girl, just so you know, all your love. Don't you know that I'll go anywhere just to show you all your love. Don't you know that I'll go anywhere just to show you how much I care. Dash it. Easy, easy. I want to big up all the mothers inside the house. This is one of the biggest mama tune record out of Jamaica. See? So if you love and respect your mother, pull that one. Yes, sir. All right. Well, I have a little difficulty, so we'll switch it a little bit. Any Ghana Silk fans inside the house tonight? From I tell people, say Ghana Silk, I'm my uncle. The jealousy turn up. But you can't fight reality. See? I run Smith in your barn and grow made in Manchester, Mandeville. And we can't come tonight and not touch a Ghana Silk. That's all. Let's go. I will always do the good I can, all the hatred I hate. And I hope you feel the same way too. The goodness of your words will carry you through. True good unto others, and I will do the same for you. Give it a try, my friend, and you will. Everybody wants to love, go for my love and answer. The love is the answer. There ain't no other. Oh, love is the answer. True love of the Father. Look, if your neighbor come begging you something, don't say go and come tomorrow. Give it now while you can, yeah. And I know, child will bless you. Oh, love is the answer. Put it up again, put it up. Just take these chains away and set me free. Remove me out of bondage and we will all agree. Too long I've been a slave and I wanna be no more. And I'd rather to dig my grave than to be locked behind the door. I want to help myself, be an independent man, yeah. And I don't want no one to give me a helping hand, yeah. Whether you're black or whether you are white, and I don't give a damn, I just want the people to unite. Everybody, come on! Rago, bam. Let me hear you say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Oh.
Dash it. Hold on, man. John T, I want you to big up yourself, you know. I remember when I used to live in Florida, the first time I hear myself on the radio, at WAVS. Yeah. I know I'm all over the world. I want to big up John T. I want to big up Momo. I want to big up everybody in the house who come out tonight. I say love and enough respect. But check this out now. The people that want to do something that can be different. So here we're going to do the time. I realize this. So the people that were there, I want to love and support reggae music. So watch a tune now. Let's go. Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution? Fighting against the pressure. Oh yeah. Battering down depression. Everybody sing it. When I hear them, oh yeah. Don't do that right tonight. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Don't do it tonight. Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, you are chosen. Oh yeah, many are called, you are chosen. Oh yeah, oh. Hey, oh. Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight it just like soldiers? Many are called, you are chosen. Oh yeah, many are called, you are chosen. So if you wanna live forever, oh yeah, you got to love each other. Come on, say you got to live on forever, oh yeah. And love each other. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We can't do one more before we go home. Can't do one more before we go home. One more? Sure. Church is sticky. The closer I get to you, the more you make me see. Oh, I'm gonna give you all I got. Your love has captured me. Yeah, yeah. Over and over again, I try to tell myself that we could never be more than friends. And all the while inside, I knew it was real. The way you make me lying here next to you. Time just seems to fly. Yeah. Needing you more and more. Yeah. What's the look? Hold on. What's the look? Look. Let me ask you a question. How old are you?
78.
Oh my God. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Every day I've been thinking
was when you were here. And it ain't the one that I've been dreaming. These memories of you are everywhere. Early this morning, when I opened my eyes, this all was a feeling, took me by surprise. I bet you didn't know I'm gonna sing to you tonight. Loneliness stays on my mind. Hold on. Come on, blossom. Now keep you on the dark. I'm bringing on the light. Come on, the light. Take out your one. Give it to the DJ. Bounce you go. You know why I pick you tonight? You know why I pick you tonight? Listen, stop it. You know why I pick you tonight? Why? Because you're from Jamaica? You look like I have the old time Jamaican wine. So watch your man. Meanwhile, you show the people them how they used to rub a dub back in the days. Ready? Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Absolutely. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. She just hit a baby. Oh my God. Hey, stop selectors. I hope your husband wasn't here tonight. Your husband there? You're a single woman? 5 kids?
Dennis Grant is my cousin.
If you go home and you do the test and it's positive, my last name is Smith, alright? Everybody give her a round of applause, man. Give her a round of applause. I love this thing. Yeah. Hey, what am I telling you? What did I say, man? So the song I'm the one dedicated to the mothers who want to record a song and sing it to the mother. If you love the mother, because some boy don't like the mother, you know. No matter if your mother live or dead, you're dead and your mother bring you home. So everybody turn on them light up on the one, you know. Kick it up. Watch it go. Rhythm. Here's the song. It's dedicated. If you love your mother, everybody turn on the light. What is it the phone number to the dear man? Oh yeah. I remember the days when things wasn't right, when mama held me tight, stayed up late all through the night, to rock me gently to sleep, and no one else could compete, making sure we have the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise. Listen, some people with a hand in their pocket. If you love your mother, go someone. Hey, you truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. Mama, I love you sincerely. You're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. Bounce it low, 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 low. Yeah. She worked day and night for over 20 years. Through sweat, blood and tears, trying to make the stress disappear. And no one else is so dear. My mama, she's always here. A mama like you should be a mama for everyone. Someone who understands and do the best she can. Say if you love your mother, everybody, don't push up on no one. Hey, dash it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Well, I'm loving it now. I'm not telling you a lie. Long time in the past too. Easy, easy, easy. I love it too. Alright. Kick it up. And we're the number of the Almighty. Oh, I love you, Lord. Boy. Everybody will love God Almighty. Put on our hand here. Oh Lord, if you should ever hear me, oh Lord,
What do you? AnthonyCruise. What do you? And a big show now.
easy. Atman, work like a professional man. You talk to him, you distracted by him a wheel of the tune. Don't play with God Almighty. Hold on. I'll say this one more time. Everybody who believes in the Almighty, who wants to know how, you know some devil there, but who wants everybody to believe in God. Push up in on that here. Oh, yes, you don't believe in God. You believe in God. And then you, let's go. I love you, Lord. Ooh, I love you, Lord. Boy, ooh, I love you, Lord. Come see like a prayer, man. Look. Oh, Lord, if you should ever hear me, oh, Lord, I'm asking you to forgive me, oh, Lord. On me have some mercy. Yeah, also Lord, I'm on my knees, begging for protection from my enemies. Please, freeze them when they try to knock me down. Keep my feet firm on solid ground. Give me the strength to wake the town, sing praise in the morning time. Sing praise in the evening time. No matter where I go, gotta let the whole world know. I'll forever sing your praises. Sing praise when I'm going out. Not a mercy, a praise when I'm coming in. Lord, your love and your power, let's put it all around. Everywhere I go, mighty Mike, watch the show. No, you're worthy to be praised. Lord, and if you come from uptown, give him praise. If you come from downtown, give him praise. If you come from out of town, give him praise. With all of your mind, just give him praise. He's worthy, and so much worthy. I start my praises early. Oh, and I wait every morning. Yeah. I learn to appreciate you, Lord. Want everyone to be in one accord. Spread your love, share your grace. Put everyone in a smiling face. There is none like you, so merciful and true. I thank you, Lord. Everybody with them young men to start with. I sing praise in the morning time. Love them. I sing praise in the evening time.
You know, AnthonyCruise. Yeah. If you love it, we dance together. Yeah. Big up Jeans and the Greens. It's our first annual event. We got the city out here again. Hard working team. But right now, you know the show continues. And DJ Lennox is in the house. Give it up for DJ Lennox. Yeah. Sing. Give yourself a round of applause. On your way home, drive safe and obey all road rules. Alright? Alright, no DJ Lennox. Take it away. Continue.
Amém.
side.